Conversion of units. Here are the most common conversion factors used in solid mensuration. You have, for example, 1 foot equal to 12 inches. We have the inches into centimeter, yards, miles, meter. You have on capacity, you have kilogram, pounds, tons, or in volume, cubic foot, or gallons. Then you have ounces and of course hectares. The next thing would be the use of prefix or prefixes on the base unit. For example, meter. If you have the prefix centi, that becomes centimeter, but centi would mean 0.01 or 10 minus 2 based on the table on unit prefixes. So you have to consult what the prefix would mean to the base unit. So you can use the table for your reference. Convert 5 meters into inches, 10 centimeters. So what you do here is simply write solution. So you have 5 meters equals to 5 meters times 3.28 feet per meter times 12 inches per feet. So that meters cancel out, feet cancels out. Your answer would be 496.85 inches. For letter B, this one is letter A. For letter B, 5 meters into centimeters. So you have 5 meters equals to 5 meters times 100 centimeter per meter. So this was equals to 500 centimeter. This one's equal. So cancel meter, centimeters will be the final unit. So this one solution. Convert 10 miles into yards, meter, centimeter. So what you do is letter A, 10 miles times 1.61 kilometer per mile times 1000 meter per kilometer times 1.09 yard. This yard over meter. Cancel here, miles 1, kilometer, meter. So the answer is 17,549 yard. For letter B, equals to 10 miles times 1.61 kilometer per mile times 1,000 meter per kilometer. Cancel mile, mile, kilometer, kilometer. So we have 16100 meter. For letter C, equals to 10 miles. 10 miles equals to 16100 meter times 100 centimeter per meter equals to 1610000 centimeter. Unit cancel meter. So this one is equal to 10 miles. So we'll take up example number 3. Convert 4 feet into inches, centimeter, and yards. So your solution, so 4 feet, letter A, 4 feet times 12 inches per feet equals to 48 inches. Unit cancel feet, feet. So letter B, 4 feet equals to 48 inches times 2.54 centimeter per inch. This one equals to 121.92 centimeter. Cancel inches, so centimeter left. So we have this one, letter C. Letter C equals to 121.92 centimeter times 1 meter over 100 centimeter times 1.09 yard over meter. So this one equal to, but cancel centimeter, meter, meter. So this one equal to yard, 1.33 yards. For the number 4, convert 4 meters squared into centimeter squared, feet squared. So your solution, 4 meters squared times 1,000 centimeter over 100. This one is 100. Per meter. This one squared, so equals to 40,000 centimeter squared. For letter B, 4 meters squared. 4 meters squared times 3.28 feet per meter squared. So equal to 43.05 feet squared. Since your meter squared here cancel out with meter squared.